Outraged Brazilian women stage protests against bill to equate late abortions with homicide. Thousands of women protested in Sao Paulo against a bill that equates late abortions with homicide. The bill proposes severe penalties for abortions after 22 weeks, even in cases of rape. Critics argue it's unjust, especially for child rape victims. Protesters carried placards and wore red cloaks, comparing Brazil to the dystopian society in The Handmaid's Tale. About 10,000 people, mostly women, filled Sao Paulo's main boulevard, wearing green to symbolize the women's rights movement. Marli Gavioli joined the protests, expressing outrage at the proposed law. Brazil currently allows abortions only in cases of rape or severe health risks, with severe penalties otherwise. If passed, the new bill would increase prison sentences dramatically, even exceeding rapists' sentences. Critics highlighted the inequality in access to abortion services, affecting children, poor women, and those in rural areas. Protesters like Talita Rodrigues and Graciela Souza emphasized the need for support and speaking out against the bill. Defenders of the bill argue that late-term abortions are akin to infanticide. The bill's author, ignoring interview requests, pushed for a fast-track vote in the lower house. Protesters targeted Speaker Arthur Lira, who expedited the bill's process. Conservative lawmakers hope the bill will rally evangelical voters in upcoming elections. President Lula, while personally against abortion, emphasized treating it as a public health issue, critiquing the severity of the proposed penalties. Brazil's feminist movements have recently gained momentum, inspired by legal victories in other Latin American countries. Activists and protesters vowed to continue fighting for their rights, underscoring the urgency of their cause.